So I'm Debbie Carroll, and I joined Quantum Lifestyle in March, so that's about less than 3 months ago. And since then, I've had so many changes. I was healthy. I thought I was healthy. And I've had so many changes that I had to start writing them down and making a list. So I've had hip pain gone in less than an hour. I have a neck lump, not diagnosed, so I won't say what it is, but it's a lump. It's an obvious lump, and it was probably almost the size of a golf ball. And now it's shrunken at least in half, if not more. It's about the size of a marble now, and um, I'm very pleased about that. I'm still wearing quantigrams on it when I'm at home. And I also have an abscess tooth that has been there for a while, and it's probably, I would say, 95 to 99% improved. I have no more pain in my face. Um, I'm just really pleased with that. I don't feel it when I eat anymore. Of course, I didn't have anything done to repair it. It was diagnosed, and I refused traditional treatment for it. And I just thought I would try this, and I'm very pleased with the results. I'm also sleeping all night. I used to wake up to pee every night several times, and now I have no nocturnal voiding. I have no urgency. I have no frequency. Oh, I was diagnosed with moderate to severe kidney failure. And other than that, I've not been tested, and that was probably a year ago. But I've seen huge differences in my kidney, in my bladder, in my voiding. The first day that I wore the quantigrams on my kidney points, I had very, very smelly urine just before the changes. And then pretty much probably this first night, second night, I've not had any other issues with getting up in the night to pee. No urgency, no frequency, none of that. So I just know my kidney's improving, which is good. Let me see, what else do I have on here? Oh, John had mentioned about vision. So I thought I would play around with that, and I bought a sleep mask, and I started putting relief quantigrams around the eyes and an intelligence in the center. For my vision, I wear glasses, and I also wear readers. I no longer wear readers. Only in the late evening, I find as my eyes get tired, then I feel like I need the readers when I go to bed and read at night. I probably don't need my glasses. It's probably more habit. So I do wear them once in a while, but I love that I don't have to wear readers. I can read something on a bottle, or if I'm out in public, I don't need to grab for my readers anymore. And I'm just getting out of the habit of grabbing for them now, which is really nice. Let me see, I find my meditations are much, much deeper. My intuition has peaked since wearing the card. I have no more phlegm in my throat, no more coughing in the morning.